I'm Steve with Able Restoration. I'm here today with Keith from the Emanuel Lutheran Church. His church had suffered a very large fire loss, and we're here today to hear his story.
We experienced a fire on a Sunday afternoon. The kitchen was a total loss. Structurally, there was minor damage, but all of the cabinetry, the appliances, and many of the goods that were there, dishes, etc., were destroyed. The social hall sustained minor fire damage, however, severe smoke damage. Well, they came out and did a survey and pretty much laid out a plan of how the restoration was to be accomplished. I was somewhat surprised that they could jump on the job as quickly as they did, and I think that helped to allay the fears of the congregation that we were going to be without a social hall or out a kitchen for, untold number of months.
The demolition process in this case involved tearing out the whole entire ceilings in their social hall, and the kitchen was a complete gut down to the studs.
Able was very good in accommodating changes that we as a congregation had requested. Additional outlets in the kitchen, converting from wood to stainless steel, things like warming trays, giving us additional garbage disposals. During the course of the restoration, Able discovered a couple of items that had not been identified during the original workup of the cost estimate.
Once these additional items were discovered, Able was able to work with the carrier on behalf of Emanuel Lutheran Church to have all these items covered and bring them back to their pre-loss condition.
The congregation and the staff here at Emanuel are very, very pleased with the final outcome. The ladies are very pleased with the kitchen. There was some hesitancy at first with going to stainless steel, but now that they have it, they love it, and it looks fresh and clean all the time. The social hall has never looked better. We've got new floors, new ceilings, new doors. I would not hesitate to recommend Able Restoration. To the last member, I think everyone here is impressed. They like what they see. I just feel that the quality of workmanship was excellent.